morning, children. I'm Miss Elizabeth, and today I bring you some chocolate chip cookies. Delicious. Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredients first. These are the ingredients to make like between 12 and 14 cookies, okay? Depending on the size you make them. So you need 150 grams of butter and 125 grams of brown sugar. Don't use white sugar, the result is not the same. Mix the brown sugar with the butter until it's light and fluffy. Then you add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And again, you have to mix. So to finish, we are going to add 180 grams of flour plus a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're not going to mix too long. You can mix with a spoon or with a spatula. And then the last thing is to put in our chocolate chips. You need more or less a cup. Okay, now we have our ready prepared oven tray with oven paper, and we're going to scoop out 9 cookies per tray. Okay? Remember, you should preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And your cookies should be in the oven between 8 and 12 minutes, I'll say. And when they come out of the oven, don't touch them. But then you can pass them onto a rack, and they should be there for like at least 5 minutes. Okay? Before you eat them, you have to let them cool. So now, I've got my mixing bowl and my hand mixer, and I'm going to start combining my butter, and see, it's not melted, but it's softened, okay? You have to leave it out of the fridge a little bit. And I'm going to combine this with my brown sugar that I have prepared here, okay? I'm going to mix now with my hand mixer, and I'll be back. Okay, so now that it's light and fluffy, I'm going to pour in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and again I'm going to mix with my hand mixer. Okay, so now that we have our egg, vanilla, butter and sugar all incorporated, I'm going to mix my half a teaspoon of salt with my flour, and I am going to start adding my flour to the mix. Now I am going to mix, but just for a short time. Okay, now I have my flour incorporated and combined with the rest of the ingredients. And I am going to put 1 cup of chocolate chips. I have a dark chocolate and white chocolate chips, okay? So I'm just gonna pour them in here. And now we're not gonna use the hand mixer, okay? We are going to use our spatula just to get all the chips together with the flour and the rest of the dough, of the cookie dough. It's a little bit difficult now to mix, but be patient and make sure that you get chocolate chips all over your dough, so then your cookies will all have a lot of chocolate, okay? Now we are ready to start with our tray, scooping out our cookies, okay? So I have a scoop for ice cream, and it's a small size, and I'm going to scoop out just a little bit and place it on the tray like this, okay? We're only going to make 9, as I told you before, at a time, because normally these cookies expand when they are inside our oven, and we don't want them to become a whole big cookie. Okay, so let me just... Okay, so I'm just gonna place the 9 cookies. I'm going to put them in the oven and I will show you when they come out. See my tray? Ready to go into the oven. See you when they come out. Can you smell them? My cookies have come out of the oven and they have been standing on my wire rack for 5 minutes. So now they are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you make the recipe, please send us pictures to the school, to Isabel, and send them to this address, comunicacion@estelamariscolegio.com. Thank you and see you in the next video class.